Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Sovos Tax Compliance Review My Usage Experience. Sovos Tax Compliance Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive review of tax compliance processes for businesses. It helps identify potential tax risks and ensures adherence to regulations. The target audience is likely businesses, particularly those with complex tax situations, seeking to streamline their tax compliance procedures and mitigate potential liabilities. Key features likely include automated review processes, reporting capabilities, and potentially integration with existing accounting software. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Sovos positions itself as a solution for improved efficiency and reduced risk in tax compliance. They emphasize accuracy and compliance, aiming to save businesses time and money by preventing costly errors. Pricing isn't explicitly detailed on their website but appears to be based on usage and specific requirements. The technology used appears to leverage automated processes and data analysis for efficient review. Availability is likely dependent on business location and needs. Checking their website is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Sovos Tax Compliance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well structured and included helpful tutorials. I appreciated the clear instructions and the intuitive interface. Navigating the platform was straightforward. I found the dashboard easy to understand and the key features were logically placed. I specifically used the automated report generation function, which saved me a significant amount of time. The reports were detailed, accurate, and easy to interpret. The system's performance was excellent, the reports generated quickly, and the platform was very reliable. I had a quick question about a specific report, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, a very positive experience. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated report generation. One minor drawback was the lack of a detailed user manual. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but after some exploration, I was able to fully utilize them. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Sovos Tax Compliance Review. It significantly improved my tax compliance process and reduced the overall time spent on these tasks. That's my overview of Sovos Tax Compliance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.